Hi guys! Welcome to Bring Me Yoga. This is Susie. Today we're gonna do an 8-minute sequence to improve your posture. So hopefully you'll go from this to this. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me in today's practice. As we practice, don't slouch. Always stand up tall as if you're being pulled from the ceiling with an invisible string. Now settle into your standing position. Take a deep breath in. Now extend your arms forward, parallel to the floor. Circle your arms backwards, drawing large, controlled circles. You don't want to spin your arms out here. You want to draw large and controlled circles. Great job! Now straighten your arms as if you're holding a box and lift your arms forward. Now bring your arms backwards in a controlled way. You don't want to swing your arms here. Keep lifting up and bring back down. Make sure you're not swinging your arms. Instead, lift and lower in a controlled way. Let's draw some circles. So take a deep breath in, puff your chest out, and draw some large controlled circles. Now you're gonna lift your arms, bending from your elbows. Bring the elbows together and then open all the way back. Draw your shoulder blades towards each other. Now you're gonna bend from the elbows again, but this time you're gonna stick the upper part of your arms to your body and lift your hands as if you're lifting dumbbells. So up, down, up. The upper part is stuck to your body. Make sure you're standing up tall. Now go ahead and clasp your hands behind your back. Press your palms towards each other. Bend your knees until the point where your back is flat. Straighten your arms and press your knuckles down. As you bend, you want to press your chest into the ground and bring your shoulder blades towards each other. So come back up, bend from the knees. Now bend the elbows, and as you lift your arms up, fully extend your arms. Again, make sure you are moving in a controlled way and not just swinging your arms. Alright guys, this is the end of our sequence. So remember that if you want to have good posture, you need to remind yourself throughout the day to stand up tall. In the meanwhile, keep exercising and practicing this sequence. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!